Ended up hitting a pole. Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So today we're going to be repairing a buddy's car of mine that I have inside the warehouse. You guys can see it's getting wrapped as well. Federico's right here. He's just testing out the new bumper that we got for the car, and we're pretty much just making sure that the vinyl is gonna stick to it. So the vinyl that we're using is a Avery Dennison satin khaki green, and it seems to be a little bit light on the tack, but I think we should be good. What do you think, bud? I think we'll be good. So now in this case, since the bumper is actually not primed or anything like that, we will be using some adhesive promoter around the edges, the corners, anything that's gonna have a really, really big stretch on it. As far as that, this car was involved in a front end collision. You guys can see front bumper, the fender, and the headlight did get damaged. So my buddy decided while the car is in here getting replaced or getting repaired, we're just gonna go ahead and wrap it as well. So you guys can see we got the new bumper. We picked this one up yesterday, and then my buddy that does PDR, which is paintless dent removal, came over here and did some of magic over here on the passenger side. So this was actually the owner's fault. He ended up hitting a pole in one of his apartment parking lots, and yeah, so we ended up getting that repaired. So pretty much when the car is wrapped, it should look brand new, ready to go. But as far as today, we're gonna go ahead and pretty much wrap the passenger side fender, and then we'll go ahead and debating if we're gonna go ahead and start the front bumper, or we might just knock it out tomorrow, because I'm still waiting for the driver's side fender to come in. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the car up in the air right now. You guys can see that we have the quick jacks already pushed underneath the car. So let's go ahead and get this up in the air, and we're gonna go ahead and start taking off the front bumper. So we're gonna go ahead and do right now is actually remove the front bumper, pretty much get all the wires, everything that's damaged removed off of the car. We'll go ahead and actually start wrapping the passenger side fender. As far as the driver's side, we're gonna go ahead and hold off on this fender. So we're just gonna go ahead and remove the front bumper, make sure that the new one fits, and then from there we might go ahead and wrap the front bumper as well. Alright guys, so we just test fitted the front bumper. You guys can see it makes the car look way better. Super aggressive look to it. But anyways, the front bumper fits actually really, really good. The only issue is obviously the driver's side fender. It actually got damaged right here where you bolted up. So you guys can see where it's kind of like tilted. So once we get the new fender, we'll go ahead and tap everything back into place. And then from there, the front bumper should fit a lot better. But as far as that, you guys can see looks way better. Alright guys, so we're about to start the passenger side fender really quickly. Federico went ahead and removed all of the glue residue from the badge. You guys can see we went ahead and took off of the front bumper. So once the fender gets finished up, we'll go ahead and throw the new bumper back on. We'll probably just do inlays, and then we might wrap it, or we might just save it for tomorrow for a wrap. Alright guys, so we are back at the shop. We are ready to go ahead and finish up the car that we have right behind me. As you guys can see, Federico's right here doing up the inlays on the front bumper. So keep in mind that this bumper is not primered or anything like that, so we will be wrapping it with adhesive promoter. In most cases, we will not use adhesive promoter at all. So just to be safe, we went ahead and put an inlay right here where the fog light area is. You guys can see Federico's currently doing the bottom inlay right here where the mouth is. And then of course the other inlay on this side. So as far as that, once he's done doing the inlays, we're gonna go ahead and throw it back onto the car, and then from there we'll go ahead and start laying it. Alright guys, so me and Federico just finished up the front bumper to the Camaro. You guys can see it looks a lot better. We do have some fitment issues, obviously, because we haven't replaced the fender just yet. The fender will actually be here first thing in the morning. From there, we're just gonna go ahead and wrap it, and then the car will be actually fully finished. But the front bumper looks a lot better than the original one. Alright guys, so the Camaro is fully finished. My boy George is actually on his way right now to pick it up. So just thought I'd go ahead and do a full walk around for you guys. So we ended up wrapping the car in a satin khaki green. Now this brand is Avery Dennison. And we went ahead and wrapped the hood as well the roof in a satin black, as you guys can see. The car came out really, really good. We have another project going on over here. You guys can see we have a Audi A6. This one's currently getting wrapped in a gloss gray made by Avery Dennison as well. Super dope color. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to smash that thumbs up button for me. Also, I'll be giving away a free wrap once I reach 100,000 subscribers, so stay tuned. Be sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys next one. Peace.